I know today is one of the most special day for you because it's your birthday. And as you celebrate, remember that I will always be proud of all your achievements. And of course, don't forget to continue to be a good and sweet daughter to your mom and dad. And of course, a sweet ate to your sister. Happy birthday and I love you.
Hello Abba, happy 7th birthday. I hope you're having fun right now and I wish to see you soon so that we can draw and paint Kurumi again and Cinnamoroll as well. I know you still love them. So, happy birthday Abba!
Happy 7th birthday, Abba. I hope your day is filled with all the things that bring you joy and excitement. As your advisor, I've seen you grow and shine, and it's been such a pleasure being a part of your journey. May this year be filled with new adventures, laughter, and wonderful memories. Keep being the amazing person that you are. So, wishing you a fantastic birthday celebration and a year ahead filled with love, happiness, and endless possibilities. Again, happy birthday.
Hello, I'm Teacher Tin, Abba's tutor since she was 3. Taught her numbers, shapes, letters, writing. I remember she doesn't want to be left here alone, especially pag si doktora nang naghatid sa kanya. But as time passed by, she got used to being left with me. Abba sa learner is resilient. Kahit anong hirap ng ipagawa, whether it be memorizing long Tagalog lines for oral exam or studying lots of pointers to review, she always survives. But that goes with food. She cannot study without merienda. Her famous lines are, "Teacher Tin, I'm already hungry. Please tell Tita Lovely to send food." And when she has food, she transforms into an eager and active learner. She can do anything when she's full. Now, ang problem ko is how to maintain her average because last time I checked, her average is 99 plus. Noong una, it was 98. Sabi ko, it was difficult to maintain, more to increase. But I was wrong. Now, how will I maintain this 99? Naku, the pressure is real. But really, I'm giving credits to her parents for this achievement of hers. I've seen with my own eyes how much they love their children. Wala akong masabi. Saludo ako kanila Doc Giovanni and Doc Roda. Lalo na sa support nila pagdating sa mga bata. And I appreciate how much they make me feel. I'm like a family. To Abba, thank you for this opportunity of teaching you. You know, it's not like filling a bucket. It's more of lighting the fire of knowledge and love for learning. Lagi ka pa ding makikinig kay Teacher Tin, ah. Huwag kang magsasawa kahit pa pinipilit kitang babasahin para gumaling ka sa pagbabasa. Alam kong mas love mo ang math at medyo ilag ka sa reading, pero kailangan pa din nating i-master yon para 100 na ang average natin. Huwag kang magsasawa ha, lalo na kung nire-remind ka ni teacher sa writing mo o blue to blue, capital letter, gandahan. Thank you, Abba, for being generous to Teacher Tin, for always sharing your food to me. Sabay tayong mabubusog at tataba. Happy special birthday, Abba. Happy 7th. God bless you. Love ka ni Teacher Tin, my Baba.
Happy 7th birthday, Abba. May the Lord protect you and guide you always. May your special day be magical as you make our lives. You are a big girl now. Don't be a maldita. Be a good girl. Kuya, miss you. Love you always. Padala ko na lang sa Shopee yung gift ko sa'yo. Again, happy 7th birthday, Abba. God bless you always.
Hello po, Abba. Happy birthday. Miss ko, ngayong 7 ka na. Sana lumag kang mawait. Masawi sa mami daddy. Mag-aaral mabuti. I hope at more birthdays to come. I love you. from Tito Mon.